Website is we are discussing from the first day. We can develop a e-commerce store and using WordPress, using Shopify, and a lot of other, or by developing using coding from the scratch, right? And if you talk about WordPress or Shopify, they are pre-built and you can use them just by configuring these plugins. No coding is required. And here today's object
Sir, your voice is breaking.
okay. A Google site is a structure and a web page creation tool offered by Google. Right? Google Site is one of the best website creation software for teachers, for presentation purposes, for you also. If you want to present your project online, you can create your own profile on your own profile as the resume. You create the resume. You can create your own profile, right? It is great for collaborative projects. One can embed videos. You can Videos can be embedded and audio presentations and images that students can use when working on their projects and assignments. This is talking about the teachers, and you can use for your project presentations. You can use for making your profiles and all. Right, online resume. You can say you can give a link to someone that you are present your detailed profile as present there. These right, this can be done, different purposes, basically not only a single purpose. You can we can create, just I am sharing the other window how we can create. Let's please, how I can share, just wait. So you can go for site.google.com. You can go for site.google.com. Site.google.com. Just sharing the another window. Please be there. This is basically, this is sites.google.com and new. You can go, and from Gmail as well. When we from here as well, you can Google Apps, and we can start the creation from here, from the Google as well, right? And slides and sheets, Google Ads. Okay, maybe not showing, maybe down. And this is basically the starting point for creating Google sites, sites.google.com, right? and we can start creation from start a new site. So blank portfolio as I told, you can create for your own profile, or if you want to create for a restaurant. Some themes, these are basically themes for different purposes. Themes basically help center theme, event theme, right? As to a restaurant theme, and right, a blank theme can be used. We can start with a blank theme if you want to creating from a blank theme, right? Just enter sites.google.com and you can start here like this, and we can create a, suppose we can write the name BBA5B, BBA5B. So we can save by the name of BBA, sorry, 5B, right? So this is document successfully renamed BBA5B, right? So you can have a title here, you have your page title, change images, header types and all, right? Here layouts, here image, you can insert the images, pages, themes, different themes we can use from here, right? For your website, different themes, and we will discuss that. We will discussing the and you can publish now. Finally, my recommendation is, if you have created given the name, customized name to your site, then here we can write as well BBA 5 5B. This can be, and then we can publish. This is website address and publish BBA 5B, and even we can give year as well, year of creation 2020, right? So this is now on the other window. Uh, this is right, and we can share with others from here, right? Different, basically the tools. Preview, view publish site, view publish site. It will be like this. Oh, this is the address basically. Your address will be sites.google.com/view slash within view folder. sites.google.com/view/BBA5B. BBA5B. This is basically your address, right? We can start creation. This is basically now as a user. As a user, we are viewing the site as a user, and this is our panel for control panel creation, right? As we create on using the WP admin on WordPress. Similarly, you can create here and customize name will be given, and later you can transfer to a customized name site as well, right? So this is how we can start creation of sites. Four elements of a Google site page. The header section appears at the top of the each page and can contain text, graphics, or both. On header, you can have text as well as image. The navigation menu contains links to all the pages in the site, or at least the main sections. Navigation menu like home, about us, contact us, like this. Navigation menus can be horizontal across the top of the page or in the vertical menu on the left, right? Horizontal or vertical, right? I'm changing my screen share, and I cannot change frequently. So we will be focusing more on theory basis, what is possible, and later you can practice using this lecture, right? So I am changing again my shared slide. I cannot basically frequently change the screen, right? This is the header section appears at the top of each page and can contain text, graphics, or both. The navigation menu contains links to all the pages in the site, or at least the main sections. The navigation menu can be horizontal across the top of the page or in a vertical menu on the left or right of the page, right? This is The content area on each page is where you find all the information. Content area, right? We're publishing some content, writing blog, text, paragraphs, and you can insert the videos on the content area. The content area stretches from the header to the footer, in between header and footer content area as in HTML page, and can contain text, images, video, links, right? On a Google site, the content area can be in a number of layout styles with columns or other sections. You can have multiple columns in a page, and a content area can be column wise in a table section, in a, right, in a table view. And so you can customize in Google Sites. The footer area is at the bottom of each page and usually contains copyright and contact information. Footer area. What we also displays links, main website links, main pages links, or category links or section links on footer area in a website. Whenever we talk about developing a website, we also have main, category, pages links on footer, copyright links, any message you want to give all the time to your visitors, that can be on footer. Suppose you have some certifications, that can be footer, because it will be visible always on all the pages. Footer means, right? Footer means visible all the time, all the pages, right? So this is a specialty of the footer or header, and B is the section in between can be changes. This is like header section, header section of the site. This is navigation menu, horizontal. This is navigation menu, right? Getting the point? This is navigation menus, navigation menu, home, environmental problems, all these navigation menu, different pages. This is content area, and now at the end, this is footer area. This is footer area, right? So this is basically the framework. Home page, a site usually has a home page that serves as an introduction to the site. If you want to develop a website, these are the basic things you must know, even if you are starting with a small e-commerce store, and a brief description of what it's all about. It introduces your visitors to your site, the home page, and home page also gives navigation menus to visit different pages or different categories or different sections. Content pages, these will usually be structured around themes or topics. Content pages may be write about us, about yourself, about the company you are making the website, right? Yes, these are basically content pages. Different area content pages can be arranged. A site can have an unlimited number of pages, unlimited, as you know. Although if there are many pages, it is usually better to build sub pages. Sub pages with, as I said, within a particular category. We can have link from home page to different categories. On these category pages, we can have link for inside pages, different category pages, different sections, right? So this is about content pages, right? This the video introduces the site instead of using written words. This can be we many on the many websites. The basically Flash player uses the video, Flash video, right? And other video types are even today now. Companies are using on even on Facebook page header a video or a slideshow. They give more information. Video can give on a home page more information, because initially when we were using videos for introduction, or even the flash video, the data speed was very low, and it was very tough to play that video on the home page. But now we can practice this. We can have a video on home page for introduction, and this is because now data speeds better. I'm talking about 10 years back time. Now the data speed is better, so we can have an introductory video. We can use it, right? Which introduces the visitors about the website. And this is about students' collaborative project contributions. We can have link if we are talking about a faculty member's website. Page topics, this information in text and images here, mix text and images mix. right? And this way. Site, a website on the internet, home page, a landing page that introduces the site. This is the terminology. If anyone had not built the websites, then please at least know about. If you are studying the e-commerce or subject, you must know. Site is a website on the internet, home page, landing page that introduces the site. Home page means index page. Home page we also call index page. Initially it was known as the index page, that is meaning first page where you land first, right? Navigation menu bar, a bar that organizes the links to the information, we call it navigation. Contained page, a page containing information on a topic. Contained page, maybe multiple, maybe hundreds of contained pages on different topics. Footer, bottom area of a page for citing sources of information. We can use in different ways. As I said, we can use for any information we want to provide to every individual, right? We can, on the footer, we can display our social media icons. Our Facebook presence is this, YouTube is this, right? Because we need these social media links to be present or visible on every page. So they should be on footer, right? Any certification, right? If you are e-commerce website, if you are using payment gateway, suppose CCA Venue payment gateway, if you are using, the we can have a logo of CCA Venue, secure payment, be cool, no issue. The CCA Venue payment gateway we are using, right? And security SSL seal. If we have purchased SSL security label from GoDaddy, then GoDaddy also gives a stamp of secure site. So that can be on footer, because what they shows, this they makes increases visitors confidence pertaining to payment. SSL from GoDaddy, a payment gateway, CC Avenue, you may have seen multiple places, right? Your contact number. Now company is also providing a WhatsApp number, so that visitors can contact even on WhatsApp instead of sending an email. Your email address, contact information basically can be present on footer. Header appears at the top of each page and can contain text, graphics, or both, right? Layout, the way the page can be designed. As I said, we can design page in a tabular form as well in Google Sites. So layout means the way the page can be designed. So we say it layout. The way the page can be designed. So we call it layout, right? And I started creating a Google site, beginner's guide to creating a Google site. Log into sites with your Google account. Your Google account with Gmail. First you have to log in into your Gmail, then you start with sites.google.com and click the create button or choose a template. You can start with a template or a theme, or you can start with a blank theme as I started. Name your site and customize your URL. As I have customized URL for BBA5B. So similarly, you can give your own name, right? Choose a theme. Theme can be selected as the Google has given restaurant theme or profile theme or other themes. Any theme you can start with, right? Site, set site viewing and editing permissions. Viewing and editing permission you can set. Again, log into your Google account and go to this site.google.com. As I said, create button, blank template, name your site, themes, more options, caption, create, right? You can create like that as we have discussed initially. Here, site, sign into your Google Apps account and select sites. You can start from here, Google Apps account. Sign into Google Apps account and select sites, right? This can be starting point, and create website. Think of creating a website like this, and you can blank template. You can create a site, name your site, grade 5 project, or I have named BBA5E, right? this way and select a theme. You can choose from different available themes. Okay, choose from different available themes. Different themes are available, and you can start with a blank theme or can choose a particular theme. Right? Explore the more options button and add category, education and a description, and then click create. Category can be added. Right now, this is the home page. The logo has been added here as an image on header. Right? On header, we have a logo here with the site name EVA5B. Right? Now, set privacy options while you create. Click on the down arrow next to more options on anyone with a link. Anyone who has link can access, right, privacy options. Who can edit the site, who can edit the page, and who can view, right? These are basically the settings. Edit your page layout sidebar. Page layout sidebar, that can, it can be edited as well. Sidebar. This is the main content area, text area. This is basically the main content area, and this is the sidebar. Sidebar we use for navigation menus. We use many times navigation menus on the similar to right. How to create the header? This is there is a video links has also been given. Go to more, manage sites, themes, colors, and fonts. Creating a better header, right? Like this, pictures has been introduced on the headers. You can introduce pictures on header part, even a search box. Search box. This mute your mic, everyone. Rohit Joshi. This is how. Now adding content, create. Let's make some pages. Create, right? Page. Create a page inside. Create 5 recycling project. What is recycling? Now creating a page. It's a web page as mentioned. First click on the add page button. It takes you to this page. Add page to this page, right? So you can add the pages, right? With the application, you can search for Creative Commons photos and download the theme. The site will automatically cite them correctly. Getting the point? Use photos for class. Site will cite them automatically. If we are using photos, right? This is a contained page created and here cited from they have been taken, right? This is how we will cite them in footer citation, because we are using images of a third party or a third person. How to upload to a Google site? This is how to add content. Click on edit. All editing tools appear, right? This is how we use Google Sites free of cost. Link for learning about Google Sites. These links you can use for learning, and we best learn using the practice, right? When we practice, then we learn the best. So better to at least practice for developing your profile on Google Sites. Getting the point? Please develop your profile on Google site. Everyone, this is an assignment. Section B. The assignment is to develop a profile on Google Sites. So how we can start? Log into your Gmail ID, then enter sites.google.com, and you can start creating a website. This is basically visible form. As a viewer, you are visiting here. This will be your address, sites.google.com/view/VBA5B. This is the admin panel, and these are the different themes you can use. Different themes, font styles, and all. Pages, you can write pages, home page, or we can new link, new page. We can create a new page by clicking here. Getting the point? Or new link to that page basically. And insert. If you want to insert text box, image on that contained area, you can add footer here. So images, we can add image, we can add text box, we can embed something. Layouts. Layout means the structure you want to visible on your site, right? So these are the different tools you can use on your website. Getting the point? You can share others. Copy published site link. Settings, navigation, brand image, viewer tools, custom URLs, analytics. We can fix for analytics as well, right? Analytics. Preview, sites, home page. So these, adding footer, this is contained area. For adding a new page, we can go here for a linking. If this is, we'll use this. For if you want to develop on a particular font, so you can theme, so we can use theme here. These are the font styles, and page introduction is this. Insertion of the different text box, images, and other tools can be inserted by going here. So please, everyone must develop a sample with your profile basically. You have to develop your profile on Google Sites. This is an assignment. Your pictures, photographs. If you have participated on activities, sports activities, you can include these photographs as well. If you have visited any tours, right, industrial tour, or you can introduce these tools here. And from your school days, you may win different prizes at a school level, maybe in sports, maybe on other cultural activities, maybe writing some story writing or literary activities. So you can use these photographs and all as well without paying anything to Google. So you can customize by your name, as I said, like BBA5B. So this is the one assignment for every one of you, right? So this is one assignment for every one of you to create a profile with your name. If your exact name is not available, then you can add some numerics 12311, whatever you want to, you can add, right? You can add your some numerics. If the name has been taken by someone else, then you can add the numeric. And this is the easiest way to develop your online profile. It is the easiest way, simplest way, and free of cost to develop your online profile, right? Getting the point? So this is assignment for everyone, and I will check, and you will only share the link of your profile like this, sites.google.com/view and your name. That's all. No even home, that is home page, so that is saying home. Otherwise BBA5 base enough, right? So this is for the day, and this is one assignment. I am downloading now the today's attendance sheet. Please be there.